हेलो व्यूवर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों। टी10 क्रिकेट लीग का मेला अबू धाबी में जारी है और कल एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मैच हुआ कलंदर्स और टीम अबू धाबी के दरमियान। शाहिद खान अफरीदी जो कि पाकिस्तान के नामवर ऑलराउंडर हैं, पहली दफ़ा टी10 क्रिकेट लीग में खेलते हुए नज़र आए और पहली दफ़ा पहले मैच में ही उन्होंने मैन ऑफ द मैच का अवार्ड लिया और कलंदर्स को फतह दिलाने में कामयाब हुए। 9 विकेटों से कलंदर्स ये मैच जीत गया और शाहिद खान अफरीदी 2 विकेटें लेकर सरफरिश रहे और उनको मैन ऑफ द मैच का अवार्ड दिया गया। वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे और टी10 क्रिकेट लीग के बारे में उनका क्या कहना था वो आप इस वीडियो में सुने।
Honestly speaking, yes, I am. Because the crowd is always motivated me in the ground. Whenever I go into the field, the crowd, boom, boom, they shouting, and this is what I feel motivated when the crowd is in the ground. But from the long time, I'm missing them.
As T10 is getting huge popularity, do you think ICC should start thinking of organising a T10 World Cup?
I think, well, with the time, why not? It should be. It's a great entertainment. The people who don't know about cricket, this is the great format to introduce a cricket, especially in that countries where the people don't know about cricket. So this is the best format.
And do you think T10 will replace T20?
Sorry.
Do you think T10 will replace T20 as a format?
I don't think so. 2020 have their own charm, and T20 is totally a different format as well. So I think I don't think so. I think T10 have their own, his own charm.
And is T10 the best format of cricket?
For me, with the time, I think yes.
Most Pakistani players like to play a hitting game. What is the reason behind it?
Sorry.
Most Pakistani players like to play a hitting game. Why do they like it?
I think we are an aggressive nation, and we love to play aggressive and positive cricket. That's what I think, and we enjoying because T20 we playing from I think 30 or 40 years in Pakistan. It's the best Ramadan event in our country.